As you see, this crop is lost as far as you can see. Normally get 250 bales off this piece of ground between silage and hay. Now there's nearly a foot of water in it because of bad management on the River Shannon. Last Saturday I had to contact Anne Rabbit to make a phone call to Waterways Ireland to get the gates in Meelick and Shaughnessy's gates open. But it's too late at the time. The Shannon was rising rapidly. Two admin also had to contact TDs and make the same phone call. As far as I'm concerned, this crop is gone. And there'll have to be compensation going forward. Year in, year out, we were at a loss for crops because the River Shannon is not being managed by one single authority. And this is the outcome of it. So we, as a farmer, are not going to take the blunt of this anymore. If they want to flood us and lose our crops, they'll pay for our crops that we've lost.